Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to my online geography class. Today our topic is the earth is spheres. This is very short topic but very important also because these spheres include many phenomena which combine to perform many activities which are very essential for human being and animal and plants life. Learn the topic the earth is spheres just in 4 to 5 minutes. So now we move on our topic and try to explain it in very easy way. A huge number of components or processes combinations exist for geographical study. It's mean if any person want to study geography, then this subject include a huge mean many number of components and processes which are combinedly exist in this world. In physical geography, these combinations can be grouped into 4 spheres of the earth. It means there is a huge number of components, and in physical geography these huge number components or processes are grouped into 4 spheres. These 4 spheres are given here. We can remember these spheres through an acronym. Mean we can remember these 4 layers by remembering 4 alphabets of English. Mean we can say AHBL. HBL is the basically name of a bank, but in this slide, in this topic, we can easily remember the name by this acronym. A stand for atmosphere, H stand for hydrosphere, B stand for biosphere, and L stand for lithosphere. In the next slides, we see some detail of these 4 spheres. The first one, which we say that atmosphere. The atmosphere. The atmosphere is the gaseous shell that surrounds the earth. Shell mean blanket, also we can say. This sphere is composed or it is made of many critical components essential to life such as oxygen, carbon, water and nitrogen, etc. that flow around the earth. This slide told us that a blanket or shell of gases which surround the earth. Which gases? There are name of some gases and there may be some other gases also, and also told us that this sphere are the component of this sphere like these gases and some others are very important for life. Life mean the life of all the living things which are found on the earth. This is a short and very easy description about the atmosphere. The next one is the hydrosphere. Hydro mean water. The hydrosphere is the part of the earth of water in its all forms. In its all forms mean it will be in the form of solid, mean it will be in the form of ice, it will be in the form of liquid, water and gaseous water vapor. Flows and is stored. This sphere is absolutely critical to life and is one with which humans regularly interact, for example, through irrigation and navigation. This slide told us that the sphere, which consists on all forms of water, is called the hydrosphere. And the second thing told us that this sphere is very important for life, and the living things interact with this layer in different forms like irrigation and navigation, etc. Biosphere. The biosphere is the living portion of the earth and includes all the plants and animals on the planet. Various components of this sphere regularly flow from one place to other, both on a seasonal basis and through human intervention. In this slide, the writer told us that the sphere, which includes all types of life, is called the biosphere, and these living things, in which plants, animals, and human beings also include, move from one place to other based on two things: number one, on the season, and number two, on the intervention of human beings. Sometimes some human beings with their animals move during summer from plain areas to the mountainous areas, and same in winter from mountainous areas to the plain areas. So this was the seasonal movement. And same when human beings remove some plants from a place, then the animals which live in a forest move from that area to another area. This type of movement is due to human intervention. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth including soil and minerals. A good example of natural system in this sphere is the way in which water, minerals, and organic matter flow in the outermost layer of the earth to form soil. The uppermost layer mostly of the earth, or we can say the solid part of the earth, is called the lithosphere, and this part include soil and minerals. Minerals may be organic and inorganic. These this slide give short explanation of the lithosphere, and this is a section of the soil which describe us about the lithosphere. And this part, this one just, is called the lithosphere because we can say the uppermost part and the crust and the uppermost solid mantle of the soil is called the lithosphere. This was short description of four spheres of the earth. Allah Hafiz. We will meet inshallah soon with any other new topic inshallah.